Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create opt-in forms using Jotform. This is a fantastic way to collect visitor information like names and emails, which is essential for building your subscriber list and growing your audience. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your form building magic will happen. Once you're logged in, look to the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see a button that says plus create. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to starting any new project in Jotform, whether it's a form, survey, or anything else the platform offers. After clicking create, you'll be presented with several options. Click on form, then select start from scratch. This gives you complete control over your form's design and structure. Next, choose classic form. This option provides a straightforward, user-friendly interface that's perfect for creating opt-in forms. Now you're in the form builder itself. On the left panel, you'll see an option labeled Add Element. Click on it to reveal all the different fields and components you can add to your form. This is where you'll build out the structure of your opt-in form piece by piece. From the left toolbar, find the full name field and drag it into the form builder area. This field will allow your visitors to enter their names. Once you've added it, click the gear icon on the field to access its settings. Here, you'll want to toggle the required option. Making this field mandatory ensures that no one can submit the form without providing their name. Next, click Add Element again, and this time drag the email field below the name field. The email field is crucial because it's what you'll use to contact your subscribers later. Just like with the name field, click the gear icon on the email field and toggle Required to make it mandatory as well. Now that your form fields are in place, it's time to make it visually appealing. In the upper right of the page, click the Form Designer button. This opens up customization options that let you adjust the look and feel of your form to match your brand. Navigate to the Themes section. Here you'll find a variety of pre-designed themes to choose from. Browse through them until you find one that suits your style. Once you've found the perfect theme, click the three dotted lines next to it, then click Use Theme. Your form will instantly update with the new design. Before you publish, let's give your form a proper name. Click on Settings, then Form Settings at the top right. Here you can rename your form to something descriptive like opt-in form. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple forms. Finally, you're ready to publish. Click the Publish tab at the top of the page. Here you'll find a shareable link and an embed code. Copy whichever option works best for you. The shareable link is great for social media or email campaigns, while the embed code lets you place the form directly on your website. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional opt-in form using Jotform that's ready to start collecting valuable subscriber information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.